If you'd like to see what I eat in a day, why, I'm on the Weight Watcher Blue plan. Be sure to watch this video. Hi, this is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is what I eat in a day, and I'm sharing a little bit about what I do. A normal day of my life. I start the day off with a walk. It's a beautiful, sunshiny day here in Florida. And just getting some steps in. Got my Fitbit. Got some noise in the background. On my way to get 10,000 steps for the day. My shirt, never stop. And I'm never stopping. I'm keeping on this program till I get to where I want to be. And that's what it's all about. Come on along, we'll be starting breakfast after this walk. Walking, starting out my morning. I decided to do a little bit of weightlifting before I make my breakfast, just to get my metabolism going and hopefully burn off some extra calories. Of course, I start off my day with some stock coffee. I only had a little bit on the bottle left, so I just made just about a smaller cup of what I usually make, but I did add the Premier Protein Cafe Latte, and that is a 1 point coffee, which I usually have every morning. Cheers. Good, so good. So I'm making an English muffin breakfast this morning. I'm going to toast the English muffin. It's 3 points. I'm adding 2 pieces of center cut bacon, which is 1 point. And then I'm going to add 1 fried egg that I sprinkled with a little bit of onion salt. And I'm adding some fat-free cheddar cheese, just a tablespoon or so. And I'm going to flip that together. And that's a 4 point breakfast. And I'm served some strawberries and some blueberries on the side. Breakfast, having it outside by the pool. It's Florida, so don't be jealous. My 1 point iced coffee. I have my English muffin, 3 points. 2 pieces of center cut bacon is 1 point. And the egg is 0, and the tablespoon of fat-free cheddar cheese is 0, and the fruit is 0, so that's 5 point breakfast. Here's my little granddaughter. She's joining me for breakfast. You want strawberry? Strawberry, yum. And the dogs. Hi, wave hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Berries. Want one? Just to get for lunch. Frozen cherries for a snack, 0 points. Try them, they're yummy. For lunch, I'm making a cheeseburger. I'm using 96% fat-free ground beef, and I'm adding some seasoning to it. It's a garlic, salt, and pepper blend, and also some Montreal steak seasoning. And I will also add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce to the meat mixture. Then I'm going to mix it up, and I will make it into 4 evenly sized patties. Then I'm going to fry them in a pan I'm making 4 of them, but I'm only eating 1 of them. And I will cook them. I'm adding some onions to them, and I will cook them, flipping them over till they're browned. And then on one of them, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of fat-free cheddar cheese, and I put a lid on it so the cheese melts. And I'm using some tomatoes, and I'm also adding the grilled onions. And then I'm going to add just about 1.5 teaspoons of Miracle Whip Light. I'm using 2 slices of the Sara Lee Delightful bread, and I'm using the end pieces so it's like a bun, and it is such a good way to enjoy a burger. This is Ellie. This is my walking buddy for today. She has a donut and chocolate milk. She's a cutie. When I'm walking with the stroller, I strap my Fitbit to my foot so I get those steps in. Little secret. When I'm walking with my granddaughter, we like to look for the wildlife, and we found 2 white birds today. That was fun, but normally we look for purple flowers. Today I'm making a recipe for my family that's visiting from Houston, a French onion chicken bake. First, I will take 2 tablespoons of light butter and melt it in the pan. I cut up 2 onions, and I cooked them until they were lightly brown and transparent, and then I removed them from the pan. Next, using the same pan, I will spray it with some olive oil, and I'm going to add the chicken pieces. I use about 3 pounds here of chicken tenderloins, and I'm going to cook them until they're lightly browned. I season it with some garlic powder and also some seasoned salt to give the chicken some flavor, and I will turn them and cook until they are lightly browned. Once it is nicely browned, I will return the onions to the pan that I previously cooked, and then I'm going to add 2 cans of Campbell's French onion soup. And I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes until it's caramelized. Now, you can use the same pan if you can put yours in the oven, but I transferred the chicken to a casserole dish, and then I put it in the oven at 350 degrees. I'll top it with 1 cup of fat-free mozzarella cheese, and I bake it for about 10 minutes uncovered until it comes out nice and bubbly. And then I served it with some rice and a side of vegetables, and the chicken there is 2 points. I made this chicken for a family dinner. Here's their reaction.
Very good! This is the best meal we ate so far of Grandma's. It's better than fattening meatloaf.
How do you like it?
Ellie, you like it?
More.
Say thank you.
It's so good.
Hey,
Yummy.
honesty.
How many thumbs up?
2 points.
Yay!
Wow. We give it 5 stars.
As you can see, everybody really liked this chicken. There's my last snack. It's a microwaved Built Bar. Inside, I'd use the salted caramel inside of a graham cracker. And that is a 4-point snack, and that will end my day. So that's it for the end of my What I Ate in a Day video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.